Hey, Danny Brown here. Hey, I got a quick product review for you. This is called DS Domination, and I'm going to tell you what I think about this, then I'm going to tell you what I think you should do. So hang with me for a minute. I'll keep it short. I got my notes here. I never want to forget to tell you anything, so that's why I always have my notes handy. I always like to be prepared. But DS Domination is something that I'm actually using. I got involved in DS Domination on January 31st of 2014, so not a whole lot of time's gone by since the time I'm making this video and since the time I got involved. So, and I had some great results. I'm going to share some results with you. In my first week in DS Domination, I made $454.26. My first week. Now, I've never made that much money online in such a short amount of time ever. I've been marketing online since 2002, 2003, somewhere in there, and I spent probably more than I made, to be honest with you, over the years. I always bought into the latest thing come out, the latest product. And always trying to find the secret, to online riches. I guess I'll just say it that way. Online riches. Always dreamed of being financially independent and never having to work for someone else ever again. Maybe that's your dream too. I don't know. It's a great dream to have, but it's extremely hard to fulfill. I'll tell you why. Because there's so many opportunities out there on the internet. It's hard to distinguish the real ones from the scams. I'm proving to myself right now that DS Domination is actually something that's working, and I'm excited about this, and I'm going to share more of it with you. Some more about my notes here. Now, like I said, I made $454.26 my first week. I made $82 on one sale. And how did I do that? Well, first of all, DS Domination is all about selling on eBay. Now, in the past, I've sold on eBay in the past, but I never really had any success with it because it was pretty much just trying to find items here and there, and maybe scouting around the house or going out to discount stores trying to find stuff to sell on eBay. Boy, it's frustrating. And then taking pictures and writing descriptions. What a pain. I just hated it, to be honest with you. There's people that are doing it. They're successful in it. I assume there's a lot of people that are doing it that I know of. It just wasn't for me doing it that way. In DS Domination, there's a very unique way of going about this. And what we do is we drop ship is what we do. We copy and paste, mainly using Amazon or maybe even Walmart, Sears, some of the big department stores, where you can actually copy the description and the product image, put it on your eBay listing. You don't even have to buy the product. You just list your display on your listing, and then when you sell it, your customer pays you, then you drop ship it right from Amazon or wherever you're getting the product from straight to your customer. It's working fantastic. It's working fantastic for a lot of people, and that's one of the reasons why I got involved in it, was because of the successes of other people. I figured, hey, I've tried to sell on eBay before. It was simple enough. It just wasn't easy. But with this unique way of doing it, I found it so much more easy, and I'm having success with it. Like I said, I made $82 on one sale. I think it was just a piece of furniture. I never bought it. I never seen it except for in the photo. I listed it on eBay, and I sold it for a profit of $82 after my eBay and PayPal fees. So that was fantastic. Now, I've also made, in my last 2 weeks, I made $2,489. Now, that's not all profit. Of course, there's eBay fees and PayPal fees that come out of that, but hey, over $2,400 in sales in 2 weeks, selling things I never seen or touched. And that's fantastic. And now I'm going to tell you a little bit about who's behind DS Domination. The guy's name is Roger Langell, and he's what you call a titanium power seller on eBay. He's been making 7 figures a year by drop shipping, and he's the guy that's actually behind this. Now, there's 2 other guys, Kevin and Hitesh, are behind this too. They help Roger. I don't know all the details behind all that, but these guys are putting out some good information. Now, when you sign up for DS Domination, what it mainly is training, and it's video modules that teaches you how to go about copying and pasting from Amazon and other sites onto your eBay listings. And it tells you all the details, ins and outs, and the pitfalls to watch out for. It's very, very well explained. I'll just say it that way. I'm probably not saying it right, but they explain it very well. And it's very easy to follow the training. And if you just follow the training and do exactly what they say, you're going to make money. Okay, I promise you that you're going to make money. Now, like I said, drop shipping is mainly you order from some supplier, and you sell it to your customer, and they ship it. You never see it. So drop shipping is a really cool way to go about things. Very hands free. You just copy and paste. All you got to do. Now, what I want you to do now is I want you to go below this video. There's a link, and below the video When you click the link, it's going to take you to another page where Roger's going to explain to you, give you an overview of DS Domination and how you can make it work for yourself. Okay, I really want you to go below this video, click that link, and watch that. Okay, you're really going to enjoy it. You're going to get a lot out of it, and I want you to know that when you get involved in DS Domination, you'll be in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Now, this is not some multi-level thing, although I will be honest with you, there is a multi-level part of it that you can take part in if you want to. Now, you don't have to. Now, this is what's unique about DS Domination is you don't have to promote this or recruit people to make money. You can make money with the actual product before you start promoting it. If you even want to promote it, you may not even want to. Maybe you're like me, you had a belly full of multi-level marketing things in the past. I've been involved in a lot of different ones, and I never made any money in those. But am I promoting DS Domination? Yes, I am. That's why I'm making this video. It's no secret, right? So I'm making money on the eBay side, I'm selling products, and I'm making money by promoting the business. And you can do the same thing. You can do both, or you can just make money on the eBay side if you want to. But I'm here to help you, whichever way you decide. Just go below the video now, click the link, and watch Roger explain how DS Domination works. Okay, you're going to love it. All right? Danny Brown out.